Hey loves, today we're going to unbox GlossyBox. I have never had GlossyBox before. This was a gift for Christmas from a good friend of mine. Thank you so much. I'm excited to jump in here. I cannot wait to see what we've got in this box. All right, so we are going to jump into this unboxing. I'm going to tell you a little bit about GlossyBox. Before I do, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. Let's get into it. I'm going to read it off of here. It says 4 reasons to try GlossyBox today. 5 full deluxe size products in each themed monthly box, new skincare and makeup finds from around the world, insider tips and tricks from beauty industry pros, and exclusive offers and rewards for our loyal subscribers. And it looks like you can go on there and purchase this box or different boxes. So once they put them out for the month, you can go on and just purchase one at a time. I don't know if that changes the cost of the box or not. Oh, so GlossyBox is actually the exact same price as Boxycharm. For $21 a month, you get the 5 full-size products. So that's awesome. That's not too bad at all. The first couple things that were in here are there's a $100 wine voucher. That's crazy. So you get $100 off any case of wine priced $160 or more. I probably won't use this because I am not a big drinker. But anyway, I will probably pass this along because again, I don't think I'll use it, so I might as well give it to someone that definitely will. Velvet style box, shot by Face Shape, is $85 off of velvet eyewear. So if you drink wine, then you would probably be really excited about this. Or I'll have to check this out too, because I don't even know. But those are really good coupons. Like that's a really good additional gift. The actual GlossyBox looks like this. And then I started to peek at it, but the inside was so cute that I wanted to show you guys, so I didn't open it. It does come with this little sheet that talks about, I believe, the products in the box. So here's the inside. Look how cute that is. It's all packed in there all nicely with tissue paper and a little ribbon. So cute. I already see some really exciting stuff in here. Yay. The first thing we got to talk about is a Becca product. Exciting brand. I can see just by first look in there. I love Becca products. Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glow Gloss. Full size retails for $22. Packaging though, that packaging. No. Okay. Oh, girl, I just put a gloss on. I literally just put a gloss on, but we might need to put more gloss on. Which shade is this? Citrine and Apricot. Ooh, that's pretty. It's really thick. Look at that. Ooh, girl. I can't quite place what it smells like. I'm just going to put a tiny bit on. I have so many lip products on my lips. I'm sorry, guys. I would take them off, but that would just take too much time. But this is a really pretty color. Again, it's kind of a peachy pink. Oh, that's so pretty, you guys. So that's the first product in GlossyBox. So far, it's a win. This is cute because it's Luna by Luna. You guys know one of my cat's names is Luna. It's a translucent powder. So this retails for $22. I honestly don't use translucent powders that often, but I'm always down to try a new one. This packaging is so cute. There's like stars and a moon on there. But I'm not going to swatch this, but this is what it looks like. It comes with a little thing. You can just see that some of the powder got stuck up on the sticker. The packaging's cute. I like using a powder puff because I will set my nose with a powder puff sometimes because that definitely helps keep my oil at bay. So that's the next thing. That's cool. Always down. And it's a brand that I have not tried before. Okay, so this is Copper and Crane. I have not tried anything from Copper and Crane. This is a Radiance Mask. Retails for $45, you guys. It says inspired by rituals of ancient Greeks, Copper and Crane's Radiant Mask is fortified with vital minerals and anti-pollutants that detox your skin. And then it also says on here that you will receive a free Copper and Crane rejuvenating facial elixir, $35 value, plus free shipping with any purchase of $35 or more at copperandcrane.com when you use code CCGlossy. Let's pop this open. Again, it's something that we can't really swatch. I like this packaging is like matte. Ooh, that looks fancy. It smells very fresh. Sweet. Well, I am excited to try this guy. Ooh, it's a peel-off mask. So it's going to be like a bright copper peel-off mask. That's cool. I'm excited to try it. Oh, okay. So you either got a lipstick or a lip liner. I ended up with a lip liner in red. I actually don't have that many red lip liners somehow. I probably have more than I think that I do, but considering I'm wearing so many red lips right now, I feel like this is perfect. So this is from Jafra, Jafra, luxury lip liner in Victoria. Ooh, it's just a nice cherry red right there. So that will definitely come in handy for me. So I'm excited to have a red one. So this guy retails for $14. It's a red lip liner. I could read the whole description, but I don't want to bore you. So we have a highlighter in cashmere from Kryolan, and it's Kryolan for GlossyBox. So I think this is got to be something that you can only get in here. Kryolan's lightweight cream packs a powerful punch with a gloss finish, perfect to use on cheekbones, lips, and anywhere else that you choose to highlight your skin. It can be easily applied with fingers or a brush, so I'm going to swatch it. I love a glow, all the highlight in the world, so this might be something, because I'm not seeing a ton of glow. It's down here. Not seeing a lot of glow. Like, it's very, very natural, so I might pass this along to my mama or someone that likes a more natural glow and doesn't want metallic cheeks like I do. But I'm excited to try it. I can always layer it underneath a powder highlight. This might be really cool to use the loose highlight, kind of give it kind of a sticky base to stick onto. So that's always something that I could try as well. But still exciting to try this. I don't think I have anything from Kryolan, and they're such a big, they're like, that brand's been around for forever. All right, love, so I'm gonna go ahead and add up the contents of this box because that's something I usually do in all beauty box unboxings. So let me get my phone. Becca lip gloss is 22. The translucent powder is also 22. The Radiance Mask is 45. The lip liner was 14. And the highlighter is 19.50. So $122.50 is the total cost of the box, minus the $21, which is the actual cost of the box. You got an additional $101.50. So that is a really crazy good deal. I'm excited to try a lot of these brands. A lot of these brands I have not tried. I think Becca's the only one that I have tried, and I haven't tried any of those glosses. All right, love, so that is everything. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share it if you could, because it does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you have not already. Let's be friends. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. All right, so I'm gonna go over really quick a few things about, wait, okay. If you saw my Snapchat last night, then you probably don't believe that, but sometimes it happens. I went out to a show with some friends and drank a little bit too much, because sometimes you just have fun, and sometimes that happens, especially when you never drink. Toppers, I said that funny. Liquid Crystal Lip Topper and Gloss. Hello? Sorry. Okay. I always get cat hair all up in my lip gloss.